Alright, now we're going to talk about tab 3, which is the Open New Position Rules tab. So what I did is I just went back to the original symbols in this Dow 30 long strategy with 50,000. So we've got Alcoa, Bank of America, Cisco, GE, HPQ, Intel, and Microsoft. And what we're going to do is take a look at adding just a couple of rules in here. So what we're going to do is tell the robotic trader when we want to open position so that it can do that automatically for us. So let's go ahead and say that we want a couple of rules in here. Let's say we want today's open price. And you can just hit the letter. When you're over here, you can just hit the letter T if you want to use an indicator that starts with T or, A, B, C. Just use the letters on your keyboard to search for the indicators that you're looking for and the up and down keys. And that'll help you guide through these indicators that are available to you. So we like to keep it really simple. So what I'm going to do is just put in a couple of simple rules and make this really easy for you folks that are new to automated trading. And we'll do some more advanced training for those individuals that are interested in learning about some of the more sophisticated indicators that are available with the system. So let's say today's open price is greater than. Let's go ahead and hit the letter Y, and you can see it highlighted here. I'm just going to click on it, and then I'm going to reference the yellow highlighted bar here. It says today's open price is greater than yesterday's close price. So that makes sense. We want the open price today to be greater than yesterday's close price. We want it to be trending up. So let's go ahead and add that rule. Now let's go ahead and add another rule. Let's say today's current price is greater than, and then let's go over here and click in one of these spaces, and we'll say today's open price. So what we're saying here is today's current price is greater than today's open price. So we just check the bar here. Today's current price is greater than today's open price. So that indicates to us that it is higher at least than it was when it opened up. So that would indicate that it is trending up. So now we can also say, let's maybe add one more rule in here. Let's say today's current price is greater than, and I'm just going to pick one to demonstrate. You can go through each one of these indicators and find the ones that you want to use. But let's say today's current price is greater than the price 5 minutes ago. So that would indicate that, it's trending up in relation to the price just 5 minutes ago. A lot of people that are running the Dow strategy, they don't even have any open position rules. They tend to look at that strategy as, I'll go ahead and buy these stocks, I own them anyway, and then I will focus more on taking profit, and when the stocks go down, adding to my positions and always be in the game and always be buying and selling. Really, that's what most folks try to accomplish with the auto trader, to always be in the game and always be buying and selling. But I just wanted to demonstrate here, so we put in today's open price is greater than yesterday's close price. Today's current price is greater than today's open price. Today's current price is greater than the price 5 minutes ago. So those three simple rules. Now the robotic trader is going to follow those rules perfectly, and if all of those rules are true, the robotic trader will open the position for you automatically. So I'm going to show you one more button here, which is copy watch list rules. So if you wanted to copy your watch list rules, all you need to do is click copy, and it's going to go ahead and bring them over from your watch list. So for this particular demonstration, I'm just going to hold down the Shift key and the down arrow key, and I'm just going to go ahead and delete those because I don't need them there. But if you wanted to copy them, you can do that by clicking Copy Watch List Rules. Now let's look at a couple more things while we're in here. I'm going to go ahead and hit I. I know we have a lot of folks that like to use intraday indicators, and what I'd like to do is just show you a few of them. So I hit the letter I, and that takes us to intraday indicators. So we have the intraday high, intraday low, intraday open, close, and we're going to have additional training on, candles, ATR, Bollinger Bands. You got the Bollinger Band, upper, middle, lower. You can create any rules that you want to. Intraday exponential moving average, MACDs, momentum, ROC, RSI, parabolic SARs. You've got your stochastics here. So, you've got a lot that you can do with the system. Now, I want to make it clear that when you're using those intraday indicators, there are only 3 brokers that provide the data, the minute bars that are needed to fill and work with those particular indicators. So TD Ameritrade, Interactive Brokers, and MB Trading are the 3 broker partners that provide the data necessary for these intraday indicators to work properly. Now, I also want to let you know that these indicators are working off of minute bars. So for you day traders, just so that you're very clear, the data that's coming down and feeding these indicators, they're making decisions based on minute bars, not a second in time. So if you're a day trader that trades manually, the robotic trader is going to pick a different point in time in that minute to open up the position than you would probably pick. So I just want to make that very clear. So those are the intraday indicators, and we're going to do some advanced training and classes for those of you that are interested in doing that. But really, you can set up your strategy or your open position rules however you want. You've got 500 different indicators to work with here, and you can just build them very simply like I just did here. And that covers the open position rules tab. Thank you.